Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you this type of brush effect portrait, and this Sushant Rajput. So we are feeling sorrow for him and his news, actually the bad news. So rest in peace for him. And let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So I'm closing this one and going to the file and taking new. And after taking new, I'll take the artboard, which is 2560 and 1440, and giving brush, giving the name of the artboard, and hit the create button. After that, go to the gradient options, and from here select the gradient color like this and make it to radial, make the angle 0 degree and make it like 350 and make it reverse and give the dither and hit the OK button. After that, go to the file and open up, and I downloaded some wallpapers from the website and provide you that wallpaper download link in my video description. For this image, I'll just going to the quick selection tool, and from here you will find that the select subject. If you just press over here the select subject, the subject will select and most of the area will select. And after that, go to the select and mask options, and from here I'll make it smooth and edge shifting. 2 pixel is good for the radius, and the rest of the setting will be like that. Smoothness 42 and the contrast 57% and +1, that's good. Select new layer with the layer mask and hit OK. You're getting the selection like that. So after that, I'll make this one by threshold. So go to the adjustment layer, and here the threshold options, and select the threshold like this. For that, select these two layers and make it merge like that, and go to the select options and the color range. From here select the black color and hit OK, and press Ctrl or Command J. You'll get the only color range like that. So I'm taking this one and making these things into here, and I'll make it zoom. I'll keep only this portion, not all the portion. That's good, and hit the tick button. And after that, go to the file and place embedded options, and I downloaded some color pictures and place it out. After that, right press and restylize the layer, right press and make it create clipping mask. So press Ctrl or Command T and making it like this. That's good. And after that, I'll blur the colors. Go to the filter and go to the blur and Gaussian blur. So make it blur like this. That's good. And after that, taking the blank layer and go to the brush, B from the keyboard, and I'll provide you that brush download link in my video description like this. Okay, fine. So deleting this one, taking again, and now I'll select the color from here and just select once and give the color. So what color you want to use, pick up from here and select the color from here and give color. Okay, go to the here the levels and take the levels color like this. That's good. And then go to the gradient map and take the gradient map like this and make it like overlay or like this. That's good. And then make it a little bit opacity down and go to the warm color, that means the photo filter. Choose the color from here. Okay, that's good. If you want, you can change the background. So I'll take the solid background and make it full white. That's good. And the gradient map here, the gradient, this one, and this one, you can take this. Okay, and after that, if you need, you can use more warm and more like that. So after using the brushes and other stuffs, you are getting this type of effects. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.